Wise Man is back again and it's another interesting episode. Today we are out of the studio. Now straight to the kitchen. From here, challenge on cooking level they go on. I drop from school camp. I listen to prayer by stairs. I wanna have on you, my prayer. I wanna pull up in the I make happy so make I cook some rice then sleep small. Wait some video bits of face out. Charlie, I get interest about it. You know, when it comes to this kind of videos it be Gabi where they show interest, but this one me to show interest more. Yeah, it be Gabi, you get it. So you watch small of the video, maybe come back. Check like they get the fish out. You see some boys shout for the back, they say, Andy, that be Gabi. The guy be bad guy. You if I talk about Gabi and people know they believe, they think say me, I hate the guy. No, it be my man, I like the guy, but the guy this part of the video, I'm not much interested about this. Let's move into the interesting part.
The lady is supposed to die.
Yes.
Why?
The man
Because if the man you don't die, the man can decide to.
Yes, bro, it's true. Every society, people try to behave in a different way. Others deviate from the norm, either positive or negative. You get the thing. So this is a free advice to ladies. So if you're a lady and you find yourself in this situation, I'll advise you to guide the guy to go wherever you want to go. You get it? Otherwise, if you give him the chance to do, he may behave like Gabi by passing back door and getting to where he's supposed not to get to. You get the thing? And if care is not taken, bro, at the end of the day, we all laugh at the wrong side of our mouth. You get it? Okay, but moving on to the next story. Just some few days ago, we at the cabinet and internet the web baby, I go pop am. Yeah, I don't know if say never for long or not, but yeah, I just saw it some few days ago. You know, Ghana, according to 2010 population census, according to 2010 population census, Ghana population is either over or closer to 40 million. If I'm not mistaken, I still stand to be corrected. Yeah, that is not the most important part of the story. The most important part of the story is as in 2010 and 2009, the rate at which Ghana purchased a condom, naturally, we got some fucking paper. Yeah. In 2009, Ghana purchased about 32 million condoms. 2020, we purchased about 40,178,862. Charlie, bro, this not be election results. Ghana condoms will be purchased that so per the calculation, it seems about 30% of the population is let's say for kids, youth, people below 17 down. So mathematically, my math's no good. Yeah. If they want to share this, at least everybody will receive like 4 or 5. Gabi, how many you receive? Confess. Pino, how many you receive? I know you get. So if you don't want problem, bro, call me then talk me, say this be the number where you receive as in 2019 and 2020. So of as then share everybody will get like 5. But some people use more than 5, so of I don't get. Lucky, be ready. I will come to you there. You there, your listen, you know them already. I will come to you. So that be the point. So now the question is that if this huge number of condoms have come to the system, so why this increasing teenage pregnancy? So as the same 2020, the teenage pregnancy for Ghana, Charlie, if I can't think far. Where the fucking paper did? Asante region alone, 17,802. Eastern region, 10,865. Central region, 10,301. Northern region, 9,249. Western, 8,533. This is from a reliable source. From I think Joy News or so, yeah. I have for 2,625. I think that was the last region. And others. So when you combine everything, it's about 90,000, bro. This not be election results. I repeat again. 90,000 pregnancy. Teenage. This be the reason why they talk to me. I prefer to give birth. My kids, all them for be boys. If you, they for be boys. I don't go talk that thing again. They for be boys, yeah. Bro, it be serious, oh. Upon the 40,000 or 40 million condoms and things, or teenage pregnancy rise to 90,000, closer to 1 million. No, if I do check up. Bro, before we wrap up today's video, Guys, I thought you say this advert. I don't know if you do. Okay, but I go do them. Bro, before we wrap up this video, if you are thinking of buying something special, bro, for your lady, or you are a lady and you are thinking of buying something special for your female friend, it could be either her birthday, her marriage day, or whatever day, you get the thing. I'm recommending Rose Collection to you. You want to buy nice panties like this one, then this one, then many more panties where if you wear them, go your guy in there or someplace. You go there and call it, so as you can last, darling. You want thing we see for your body and make happy pie, bro. It not be anything. If you Rose Collection, them are panties that you go get nice braces. Then some of you your belly make like Mountain Afadja too. You get a thing. You get that one, then take wrap and you walk for the street top, straightforward. Everything cool. Very cool price, very affordable. Bro, I go drop them a number for the screen top. Just pick your number and call them. Wherever you are, they will send it to you. Free charge, free of course, nothing. I can't wait. The English no good, but I'll take it like that. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please stay Aboakiba TV. Please click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that anytime I drop video, bro, you'll be the first person to get. No stress, cry. Till we meet again, bro. Take care.